And my favorite, my best friend, Bert Bacharach. My other bestest friend, Crush. Crush Bacharach. No, that's not what I'm saying. Clouds out there. Oh yeah, I almost fell down. It's my beautiful boy. That's my other beautiful boy. So much, you guys. I love you too. I know I'll give you a problem if I just pet you.